Hello, everybody. Welcome to iExamB's Legal Bee. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience with us. In this video today, I'm going to discuss with you all a very current and a very relevant topic relating to the elections, which should be known by each and every individual in our country right now. And moreover, if you are related to the law discipline, definitely you should be knowing all the legal provisions relating to the election laws that are of practical utility right now. You should know and you should spread awareness to others as well. We will be discussing about the NOTA provision today. Before we go ahead with our description or discussion, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel LegalBee. LegalBee is the right place for all kind of preparation relating to competitive examinations after your law. If you are preparing for SEBI Grade A Legal Officer examination, IBPS SO Law Officer examination, RBI Grade B examination, IFSCA and various other examinations, do check out the online courses available on our website. Check the demos of these courses. If you have any queries, you can reach out to us by writing us an email on hello@iexamb.com. You can also call us on the number 92055240228 and don't forget to subscribe to LegalBee. Election time is there and NOTA is the last option in your EVM. But what is this NOTA? First of all, let us understand the full form. None of the above. आपने MCQs तो सॉल्व किए ही होंगे आप कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए अगर प्रिपेयर करें या फिर अगर आपने स्कूल में कॉलेज में कहीं पे भी MCQs सॉल्व किए you know about the none of the above option that is there many times. But why it is mandatory in the elections? You go for polling. If you don't like any of the candidate, you should have a choice, right? It is your right to vote. You have a choice of not voting as well. But not voting as well in the sense not that you don't go for voting or you abstain from exercising your right. Abstaining from exercising your right is not truly exercising your right. And if you are doing this, then you are not playing your role in a democratic country like India. अगर आप जाते हैं एंड आपको कोई भी कैंडिडेट पसंद नहीं है तो आप नोटा का बटन दबा सकते हैं. दिस इज योर राइट बिकॉज यू वॉन्ट टू कास्ट अ नेगेटिव वोट. So this is what is the meaning and importance of NOTA, and this is what is the role of NOTA in elections as well. Let us see what is the legal backing of this as well. Honorable Supreme Court had taken cognizance of this in the case of People's Union of Civil Liberties versus Union of India in September 2013 itself. I have given you the writ petition number as well over here. You can check it out. इस केस में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने डायरेक्शंस दिए थे नोटा के रिलेटेड कि नोटा प्रोविजन होना चाहिए. If we don't have this provision, how we can guarantee free and fair elections? Free and fair elections are the basic structure of the constitution. Supreme Court has specifically observed in this judgment that introduction of NOTA will improve the electoral process. First of all, it will increase the voter participation. The number of voters will increase. If people don't like anybody, still they will go for voting and that will give them representation, which is very important in a democratic country. Compulsion on political parties to field a good candidate. If suppose there are more number of NOTA votes, then definitely the result will show that the political parties are not putting forth good candidates. So they need to change their candidates as per the expectations of the people. That is how we can ensure democracy. Reflection of negative votes in the election result should come on record. अगर हम ऐसा कहते हैं कि कुछ लोग ये आर्ग्यूमेंट दे सकते हैं कि लोग अगर वोटिंग के लिए नहीं जा रहे हैं तो इससे भी समझ में आ जाता है कि नेगेटिव वोट्स ही हैं. नो, लोग अगर वोटिंग के लिए नहीं जा पा रहे उनके कुछ और अनअवॉइडेबल रीजंस भी हो सकते हैं. लैक ऑफ अवेयरनेस भी हो सकती है. एनी सच काइंड ऑफ थिंग कैन बी देयर. लैक ऑफ कनेक्टिविटी इवन कैन बी देयर. लैक ऑफ एजुकेशन कैन बी देयर. एनी सच काइंड ऑफ रीजन कैन बी देयर. बट इफ दे आर गोइंग एंड दे आर प्रेसिंग द नोटा बटन specifically, then it will indicate that none of the candidate was found to be apt or suitable by that particular person. So that result is very, very important for us. This was taken as in a cognizance in this particular case by the Honorable Supreme Court of India, and Honorable Supreme Court had given directions to Election Commission to incorporate this button as soon as possible for all the elections across the country. Free and fair elections is the basic structure of our Indian Constitution. NOTA gives the right to the voters to express their disapproval by the kind of candidates which are there put forth by the political parties, and this will motivate the political parties to bring good candidates, and rather we will guarantee free and fair elections in the country, and elections will be in the true spirit in the country. इसलिए नोटा के इम्पोर्टेंस को ना भूलें. इलेक्शन कमीशन ने अगर ये एक्शन लिया है या डायरेक्शंस दिए तो कौन से आर्टिकल के अंडर दिए है? Of course, under Article 324, they have the power to give these directions, and they were directed ultimately by the Honorable Supreme Court in this judgment. This judgment is a very detailed one. Various remarks have been observed by the Supreme Court, also mentioning the powers of Election Commission in this regard. So there is no specific provision in the statute, but the Election Commission has given directions for incorporating nota over here, like this nota has come into existence. So be aware of all your rights. If you are aware, spread awareness amongst others as well. If you have any queries, do reach out to us. Prepare 50% faster with us at iExamBee. Download our app from the Google Play Store and check out all the features for our courses. Thank you everybody. Have a good day.